This small tip will improve your productivity as a indie dev. Many developers spend weeks perfecting shaders and repeatedly reworking UI, but avoid setting up a proper build pipeline because it feels like overkill for smaller projects. Here's the thing, every single professional studio has one, and there's a reason why. The real win is this: you configure your release build once, all the settings, the signing, the platform flags, the optimization passes, you set it up one time, then you never think about it again. You just press the button and get a build that's identical every single time. No more, why is this build different from last week? And here's another one, demos. Everyone's releasing demos now. It's basically required if you want wishlist traction. But a demo isn't just your game with less content. You need to cut things, disable features, maybe change the ending. That's a separate build config. With a pipeline, you set that up once. Now every time you fix a bug in your main game, your demo gets the fix too automatically. No extra work, no forgetting to update both. And when patching becomes that easy, you actually do it. You stop dreading releases. You ship that small fix on a Tuesday instead of batching it for next month's update. Your players notice. They appreciate a dev who responds fast. But I don't have a spare PC for a build server, you might say. You don't need one. GitHub gives you free credits every month. For most indie games, that's more than enough. You can literally have a professional build pipeline running on someone else's hardware for $0. Now, if you do have a spare machine, maybe an old laptop, a mini PC gathering dust, GitHub's self-hosted runners are incredible. That's what I use. It runs on my hardware, it's fast, and it costs me nothing beyond the electricity. And if you really don't want to mess with remote machines, fine. At the very least, write a script that builds your game locally without any human input. One click, walk away, come back to a build. That's the bare minimum. No excuses. Look, I'm not saying you need to become a DevOps engineer. I'm saying spend one afternoon setting this up. That's it. One afternoon and you remove friction from every single release you'll ever do. Stop being scared of builds. See you in the next one.